Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. In today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys why the fuse in your vehicle keeps blowing. If the fuse in your vehicle keeps blowing, it means that the fuse is working properly. It means that the fuse is blowing when the circuit is overloaded. That means that your electronic components or circuit is being protected when the fuse starts to blow. The fuse that is used for your vehicle is usually made of alloy lead and tin. And depending on the amperage, it can also be made of different materials such as aluminum, zinc, and copper. So again, the size of the fuse wire will depend on amperage. The lower the amperage, the thinner the wire. And the higher the amperage in the circuit, it's going to require a thicker wire. So the number one reason why your fuse keeps popping is because you're putting the wrong fuse. For example, if that circuit requires a 10 amp fuse and you put in a 7.5 amp fuse, this fuse is going to keep blowing. So make sure to use the correct fuse. If you put in the correct fuse and that fuse keeps blowing, then most likely you have a short somewhere. For example, let's just say you change the fuse for a backup light. And if that backup light fuse keeps blowing, then most likely you're going to have a wire issue. Maybe the wire is exposed and maybe it's touching the metal surface or it's touching another exposed wire and it is causing a short. So make sure to check that circuit. If you don't have a wire issue or a short issue, maybe something is seized. For example, let's just say the fuse keeps blowing for the wipers. If the wiper motor is seized, it's going to cause the fuse to keep blowing. In addition, a shorted solenoid or bad actuator, like a bad door actuator or a bad window motor, can also cause the fuse to keep blowing when they are seized. What if you're doing custom work and you have no idea what fuse to use? And the answer is going to be simple. You're going to need a formula. The formula is going to be watts divided by voltage equal amperage. Here is an example. Let's just say that electronic uses 120 watts and it is using 12 volts. So it's going to be 120 divided by 12 is going to give you 10 amperage. So don't put a 40 amp fuse when that circuit requires a 10 amp fuse. I hope you found this repair lesson informative. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.